Well, we made it down to ADS because they have our machine in today. So we're buying another machine. Sam, we got, what did we get this week? Skid steer, excavator, 2 trailers, a boat, and a boat with a trailer. Well, a boat with a trailer. And we're getting our Can-Am today. So we brought Cozy down. We are going in to pick it up. It's somewhere up there in the showroom, and they just got it in a couple days ago. We lined up all of our money to pick it up, and let's head inside and see what it looks like. Pulled it right up here, right up front, and check this out. Gotta hold the door first. And now we can check this out. Ladies and gentlemen, 2022 XRS X3, fresh with all new parts, just finished in. We got the one with the white frame. It's a little off-white, so it's gonna clash with the truck just a little bit, but maybe it'll just be that contrast that we're missing. So, this is actually my first time seeing it in person, and honestly, these machines have come a long way. 3 years ago, when I pulled up, my last machine was parked right there where that one is. So I assume these are going to new homes today, but this one's coming home with us. So I'll give you guys a quick walk around because this thing's not gonna last very long looking like this. We're gonna strip it down. We've already got a full HDR kit for it. We've got a front bulkhead kit for it. Tower light there. We're gonna put a hood on it. We'll put a windshield on it. We got the seat for it. We'll put a cage on it and our paddle tires so that we can go to the sand dunes. And then all we need after that is Cozy to be big enough where she can ride with us. Maybe next season. What do you think, Cozy? What do you think of Mom and Dad's new car? You like it? Okay, show you guys all up in here. Wow, that looks amazing up there. BRP, you did a good job with this one. Cozy! What do you think?
Hi.
Smart shocks, look at that, babe. Sport Plus, Sport, and Comfort mode. This one's gonna ride a heck of a lot better. We got the rear view windshield back, headroom. We need to put some lights inside this cage, and I don't think we're gonna do a sound system one on this one. I think we're gonna do headsets. Can you imagine Cozy with a little headset on her? That's gonna be awesome. Okay, well, haha. I have to always throw in a huge shout out. ADS Motorsports always takes care of us. So if you guys are in the market for any machines, Northern Utah, call Chad Fisher at ADS Motorsports. Tell him Colin sent you, and he will give you a great deal. So we've got radius rods at home that we need to put on. We've got, why can't I think of it? We've got control arms back here that need to go on. We've got control arms in the front that need to go on. So we need to get this thing home. I think we need an exhaust, but maybe we'll do one of those captain's exhausts so we can leave it quiet, because where Cozy's gonna be riding with us, I don't want it to be loud all the time. Take a look at those big old bypass Fox shocks. Beautiful. Okay, let's get this thing signed for. Let's get it loaded up and head home and get it in the garage. Okay, just got our papers signed over. Now we're gonna do first start on the 22 X3, baby. Oh my gosh, this one is so quiet compared to my last one. We gotta change that immediately. So let's see, we got four-wheel drive. It actually is 1015, so that's cool. 0.7 miles, half tank of fuel. All right, let's get it. This is so quiet. So quiet. It's kind of nice, actually. My eardrums aren't hurting. Okay, we'll put it in low. It's weird not having the bottoms of the doors either, but look at those tires. Those things are meaty. All right, well, I don't even think I'm gonna drop the tilt on this. Those tires are massive, so we're just gonna load it up just like that. Yeah, that's easy enough.